So, you are a big fan of solo leveling, and you like Sung Jin-Woo. So you want to draw him now, but don't know how to draw him. Then my friend, you've come to the right video. Just watch the full tutorial, and you'll be able to draw him by yourself.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. Water is rising. It's coming in. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. It's coming in. I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt.
And that's the final drawing of Sung Jin-Woo. If you enjoyed the tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe to Draw with Ishan, and let me know in the comments who I should draw next. Keep drawing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.
Nobody is watching